Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I want to show you how to reset your Coolpad Defiant back to factory settings. To do this, you're going to swipe down from the top. In the upper right corner, click on the settings wheel. And first we want to go down to accounts. Right here. And we're just going to remove the Google account or any Google accounts you have on the phone. Menu, remove, and remove. If you don't remove the Google account, you will have issues when you're trying to reset up the phone after the reset. So just keep that in mind. After you remove the Google account, you're going to want to scroll to backup and reset. Tap on factory data reset. And then reset phone. One more time. And that's it, guys. After you do that, your phone will begin to reset itself. You're gonna give it anywhere from 30 seconds to about 5 minutes for it to erase everything that's on the phone. It's gonna reset it up like a brand new phone. All right. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.